morning. Very good morning, children. Yes, how are you all? Fine? Yes, then your assessment and all? Yes, we have been completed, right? Yes, how was your test, children? It was good, easy. Yes, then nothing. We will start. Yes, children. Yes. If you are not completed your notes, previous notes and all, please complete it. Okay? And today's whatever we are doing is complete it today itself. Okay? Yes. Then let us start, children. Just tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 21. We are in the month of September. Here is 2021. Today is Tuesday. Yes. Today Tuesday we have English subject, right? Yes. Let us see what is the thought for the day. Yes, knowledge will give you power, but character will give you respect. Yes, knowledge will always give you the power and your character only gives you respect. Okay? Yes, then shall we start? Yes, please take out your English textbook part 1. Yes, children, we have been completed first lesson, second lesson, that is a poem, we have been completed. Now, move on to the third lesson. Yes. What is the third lesson name? The Selfish Giant. Okay. What is the lesson name? The Selfish Giant. Giant means a big man, very big man. Okay. He is not a normal height like our human beings. Okay. He is a very big height person. So they are only called as giant. Okay. Yes. Then let us listen and say aloud. Okay. That are the words. Okay. Say along with me, children. Selfish. Selfish. Prosecuted. Prosecuted. Peach. Peach. Spring. Spring. Boar. Boar. Hay. Hay. Trespasser. Trespassers. Perfume. Perfume. Okay. Yes. Then next we have warm up. Do you like observing what grows in garden? Do you like observing what is growing in the garden, like flowers, plants? Yes. You have that interest? Yes, very good. Then next we have, do you think we should share what we have with others? Do you think we should share what we have with others? Whatever we have more with us, we need to share with others. Right? Yes. Let us read a story about a selfish giant. Okay, in this lesson, you will learn about a selfish giant who owned a beautiful garden, who was having a beautiful garden. Okay, let us read that lesson today, children. Open page number 12. Reading the text. Every afternoon while coming from school, the children played in a giant's garden. Yes. Here, every afternoon, children were coming from the school, right? That time, they were playing in the giant's garden. That giant is there, right? Its garden. Okay. The giant was away visiting a long time friend. What? The giant went to visit some friend. Okay. Very long time he had been met with his friend. So he had gone to meet him. Okay. It was a large and lovely garden with soft green grasses on which stood beautiful flowers like stars. Yes, it was a large and lovely garden, beautiful garden. Okay, it was having soft green grasses. The grasses were like a soft. Okay, on which stood beautiful flowers. On that grass there were beautiful flowers like the stars. Okay, there were 12 peach trees which in the springtime broke out into beautiful blossoms of pink and pearl. Okay, see here, there were 12 peach trees. 12 peach trees were there. Okay, and in the springtime only, in that springtime, how that the tree will look, you know, it will look example you can see like this. It used to look like this. Okay. Are you getting? It's like this it was looking. Then in October there were boar-rich fruits. Boar-rich fruits also in October season there were. The birds on the trees sang so sweetly that the children used to stop their games in order to listen to them. Yes. Here there were in October season there were boar trees. See in your picture, in your textbook you can see this is the boar tree. Okay. The boar tree also rich fruits were there in that. Even the birds were singing sweetly like the children. Okay. That the children used to stop the games they were playing, right, to listen to that birds sound. So they stopped playing and they were listening to the birds singing. Understand children? Yes. Now how happy we are here. The children often said to each other. Yes, their children are telling to each other that how happy we are now. So beautiful garden this is, like that. Yes, but conversation to each other. Okay. Then one day the Jane came back. He saw the children playing in the garden. Yes, one day the Jane came back. Okay, after visiting his old friend, he came back to the garden and he saw the children playing there. Okay. What are you doing here? He shouted in angry voice. He got angry and he shouted like anything like that. He asked, what are you doing here? Like that he is asking with angry. Okay. What are you doing here? Like that he started asking. And the children ran away because hearing that angry sound, they got scared and they ran away. Okay. My garden is my own garden. My garden is my own garden. Like that the Jane said. Okay. And I will allow nobody to play in it. We will not allow anybody to play in that garden. So he built a high wall all around the garden and put up a notice board. Yes. What it is his garden, right? So what he did, he built big walls. Nobody should come inside the garden. That's why he has built all the walls, big high walls and all. Okay, and he put one notice board. See in the book you can see trespassers will be prostituted. Like that he has been put one board like this. Okay, yes. He was very selfish, Jane. He was very selfish. Means whatever he has, he will not share with others. Very selfish. That is called selfish. Okay. The poor children now had nowhere to play. The poor children, they cannot play any other place. Okay, because that only was the very beautiful garden. Now they are not able to play in that garden. Okay. Yes. They wandered around the high wall after school and talked about the beautiful garden inside. Yes. After building that walls and all, children cannot enter into that garden, right? So they felt very sad and they were telling that how beautiful garden that was. But what to do now? We are not able to go like that. The children are speaking to each other. How happy we were there. They said to each other they are telling how happy we were playing in that garden, but now we are not able to play. Like that they are speaking. Okay. The spring came and the trees were full of beautiful flowers. Yes, the spring season came. Now the trees and all having beautiful flowers. Okay, only in the selfish Jane's garden it was still winter. Yes, only in the selfish Jane's garden. In that garden only it was winter. Okay, the trees forget to blossom and the birds did not sing. What happened? What happened? It was still winter, right? Trees forget to blossom. They are not blossoming the flower. Flower will be haradodu, haradutala. That is called as blossom. Okay, that is not blossoming. And birds are not singing. Okay. Even the little flowers slipped back into the ground. Little flowers also it is fell down. Okay, without blossom. Okay. As they were as sad as they could be, very sad they were. These trees, these birds, plants, everything were very sad. Okay, the snow covered with The snow covered the grass with their great white lock. The forest painted all the trees silver. Yes, the snow covered the grass with the great white hall. See, this is the hall, children. Yes, this is the hall. Like this, the snow was covered. Okay, are you getting? Yes, then it was a frost painted silver. Trees were like this, like a posted silver, like that. It was looking these trees. Okay. Why is the spring so late in coming? Why the spring is coming very late? Like that they are asking. Wondered the selfish giant as he sat at the window and looked out at his cold white garden. He's sitting inside the house and he's looking out of the garden. The garden was full covered with snow only. No spring season only. It is winter season only. Why like that he is thinking. Okay. But spring never came, nor did summer. It was always winter and the winds, hail, frost and the snow danced through the trees. See, the spring never came. The spring season didn't come. Even the summer season didn't come. Always it was winter season in that garden. Okay, and there were only, wherever you see the snow only were there. Okay, so it was very cold. Okay, cold white garden. It was looking like that. So one morning the giant was laying awake in bed when he heard some lovely music. Yes, when he was sleeping on the bed, still he did not woke up, that giant. That time he heard some music. Okay. He saw a bird singing beautifully in the garden and could also smell a delicious perfume coming in through the window. Yes, what happened? When he was sleeping, he heard a beautiful music that the bird is singing in beautifully in the garden, and it could smell like a delicious perfume also. And it was coming from the out of the window, that smell. Okay, I believe the spring has come at last. He is thinking that the spring season at last it has been came, like that. Exclaimed the giant. The giant was telling about that. He jumped out of the bed and looked out. He jumped out of the bed and he looked outside. And what did he see? What did he see? He saw the most wonderful sight. He saw most wonderful sight there. Okay. Through a little hole in the wall, the children had crept in, and they were sitting on the branches of the trees. What he saw? He saw through the little hole in the wall, the children were crept in. Okay, crept means see like this. You can see here what is crept. Okay, this is crept. Like that the children were the children has crept. Then when they were sitting on the branches of the trees, they were sitting on the branches of the trees. Okay. In every tree that he could see, there was a little child. In every tree, each and every tree, the children are sitting on the branches. Okay. The trees were so glad to have children's back. The trees were very happy with the children. Small children means everybody likes, right? Like that only even the trees liked that kids. Okay. Yes. All the trees had covered themselves with blossom and were waving their hands gently above the children's head. Yes, what they were doing? They were waving the hands, that branches only hands for the trees, right? They were doing like this for the kids, okay? Because they like kids, the trees and all, okay? The birds were flying about and chirping with delight. Delight means see like this. You are showing your expression, delight. Okay, like that. The birds were making the sound, beautiful sound like that. Because they were very happy birds because of seeing their children. Okay, the flowers were looking up through the green grass and laughing. The flowers were looking up through the green grass and they were laughing also. The giant's heart melted as he looked out. When he saw this and all, no, the giant's heart melted. Oh, I missed it. I only did wrong. See how nice now it is. Like that his heart started to think. Okay, that is called melting, heart melting. Okay. Yes. Then how selfish I have been, he said. He is telling to himself how how selfish he was. Yes, without allowing the kids, how selfish I was. But now it is really nice like that the giant is telling to himself. Now I know why the spring would not come here. Now he came to know because why the spring season is not coming. Why? Because of the children. Children are there only. Everything will be very beautiful nearby us. If there is no children, nothing. Right? Yes. He was really very sorry for what he had done. He was really very sorry for what all he has done. Okay, he is thinking sorry for them. He is thinking to tell sorry to that kids and all. Okay, from that day on, people passing by in the evening could see the giant playing with the children in the most beautiful garden anyone had ever seen. Yes, now it was very beautiful garden. Now whoever passed in that evening in that road, right, they used to see that garden. There the giant is playing with kids. See how nice, right? It's like that. We should not be selfish. We should be, whatever we have, we should share with others. Okay, that is the moral of this story. Are you getting, children? Yes, it was really interesting, right? Yes, the lesson was very interesting. Yes. Then this lesson is adopted from the Happy Prince and the Other Tales by Oscar Wilde. Okay, it was adapted from the Happy Prince and the Other Tales. That book, from that book only, this is being adapted. This is written by Oscar Wilde. Okay? Yes. Then let us discuss. Okay, let us discuss few questions. Now you understood the lesson, right, children? Now you will tell the answers to me. You should tell also, you should write it in your English classwork book also. Okay? Now you can take your English 4 lines classwork book. Okay? Then write down the lesson name. Third lesson, the selfish giant. Write down the lesson name, write the subject, write your name in each page. Okay? Take the pic clearly and even mention the date and day. Okay? Yes. Then regularly you need to send, children. Daily we can't ask you to send. Okay? So daily without fail every subject should be come by 8 o'clock of night. Okay? This is the rule. Now you should send by 8 o'clock. Okay? Yes. Then let us see the first question. Why was the giant away? Why was the giant away? Tell me. Yes, children, I have written the answers. So the first question is what? Tell me. Why was the giant away? The giant was away visiting a long time friend. Yes, that's why he was away from that garden. Okay. Next, second question. What did the giant do when he saw the children in this garden? What did he do? Giant. What are you doing here? He shouted in angry voice. Okay, he shouted in angry voice after seeing the children in the garden. Okay, then next, the third question. What happened to the garden after that? What happened to the garden after that? The garden was still winter. Okay, after that the garden was still winter. The trees forget to blossom and the birds did not sing. The little flowers slipped back into the ground. Okay, like that the garden was. Okay, then next, fourth question. How did the children enter the giant's garden? How they entered again in the giant's garden? The children entered the giant's garden through a little hole in the wall. Okay, there was a little hole in the wall and the children entered, like entered the wall. The children had crept, see like this, they crept and went. Okay, they crept and went into the garden again. Okay, yes, please copy down now itself, children. Watch the video and complete this in your English classwork book. And even word meanings also you have to write in your English classwork book. And as well as in textbook also you need to write. Okay, yes, I will show you how. Okay, yes, here we have understand the text exercise 1, new words, word meanings. First word is giant. What is giant? Do you know, children? Jane? See, open the last page. See here, glossary is there. Yes, glossary means meanings. Okay. Here you will get the answers for these words meanings. Okay. First one is giant. So I already show you alphabetical order. How to search in alphabetical order, right? In the what? When bridge course was going on, I have already taught you, right? Yes. In that way only you need to search. Okay, this is giant. G, correct? You have to find from G. Where it is G? You turn the next page also. Here you will search. See here, giant. This 32 word. Okay, 32 word. That is the giant. Yes, a person who is extremely large and strong. A person who is extremely large and strong. Okay, this you should write here and copy in your English class book. Then next, blossoms. Blossoms, B. It will come in beginning only. Blossoms, see here, blossoms. Sixth one, pretty flowers. Write pretty flowers here and copy in that English text class book. Turn the page, page number 14. You have pearl. Yes, this is pearl. So, open again the last page. Open P, pearl. P, where is P? See here, P, pearl. A milky white color. Okay, a milky white color. Write down here. Yes, then next we have boar. Boar, B. It comes in the first page, B. Right, boar. See, produced rich fruit of or flower. Okay, write down. Next what we have? Trespassers. Where is trespassers? T. You have to search in tree. T. Yes, T. See, T here it is trespasser. 57th. Those who enter a place without a rightful permission. Okay, that. This you should write it. Then next what we have? Prosecuted. Prosecuted. P. M-N-O-P. P. See. Here it is. Prosecuted. Lawful action against rule breaking. Okay, that is prosecuted. Then next, wandered. W, it will be in the last. See here, wandered. Walked around slowly without any purpose. Then, cloak. C, you will start with the first page only. C, cloak. A loose piece of clothing worn over one's shoulder. Okay. Then next, frost. You will get here only, children, each and everything I will not show. You are grade 5 kids, right? You can only search and write. Okay. Yes. Complete it in your in your textbook also as well as in notebook also. English class book also. Okay. And read the lesson. Read the lesson. Read the question and answers and read the meanings also. Okay. Complete the question and answers meanings in your classwork book and meanings in textbook. Complete it and send it in the group for correction. Okay. Today this is enough. We will meet you in the next